Ever found yourself in a rush, needing to provide your routing number, but have absolutely no idea where to look? You're not alone, and today we're going to end this frustration forever with this complete explainer. Let's get right into it.
Real quick, here is our agenda for today. We'll start with an intro to routing numbers, then jump right into finding your specific number. After that, we'll cover real-life uses, troubleshoot some common Dave issues, go over actionable security tips, and finally, wrap it all up with a quick recap.
Section 1. Intro to routing numbers and demystifying the banking jargon.
Seriously, have you ever felt that sudden spike of panic when an employer hands you a direct deposit form and asks for your banking details? It kind of feels like a pop quiz you didn't study for. But honestly, understanding the system makes it completely stress-free. It's just data, and once you know how it moves, you are entirely in control.
So what exactly are we looking for? Well, an ABA routing transit number is a strict 9-digit code created way back in 1910 by the American Bankers Association. It started out for processing paper checks, but today it identifies exactly which U.S. financial institution should process your electronic transfers. Just think of this 9-digit code as an electronic postal code that makes sure your money actually reaches the right destination.
And this 9-digit number isn't just random gibberish, it's actually built like a puzzle. The first 4 digits act as a Federal Reserve symbol, pointing to the physical geographic processing center. Then, digits 5 through 8 pinpoint the exact commercial bank receiving the transaction, and that 9th digit at the very end, it's literally a mathematical check digit. It uses a complex algorithm to validate the first 8 digits and catch any processing errors before they even happen. Pretty clever, right?
Now, here is a super important distinction to keep in mind. Dave is a financial technology company, a fintech app, not a traditional chartered bank itself. That means your routing number actually belongs to one of their FDIC-insured partner banks, like Coastal Community Bank or Evolve Bank and Trust. They are the ones who actually hold your deposits and issue the routing numbers, while Dave handles the incredibly smooth app experience on your phone.
Section 2. Finding your routing number and exactly where to look in the app.
The absolute easiest way to find your info is right through the direct deposit interface. Just pull open the Dave app, go to your primary home tab, scroll down a bit, and tap the direct deposit option. Boom! Right there, you'll see your fully formatted partner bank name, your routing number, and your account number. It perfectly prepares everything for you to share directly with an employer.
If you want another way, you can always navigate through your system settings menu. Just tap the little gear icon to open settings, select the Dave Checking Account option, and hit Account Information. This instantly reveals your active 9-digit transit routing code right alongside your checking account number. Super fast once you know the path.
And option 3, if you need something official, you can always download your monthly electronic bank statements. Head to your account settings, tap your account, select Statements, and grab the PDF for the month you need. These official statements proudly print your complete partner bank routing and account numbers right at the top of the document.
Section 3. Real-life uses and examples, and why you actually need this number. You're going to need these digits for almost anything that automatically moves money. Setting up employer direct deposits, which, by the way, unlocks Dave's awesome feature that lets you get paid up to 2 days early. You also need it for securely receiving government benefits or your IRS tax refund, setting up automatic bill pay so you're not writing paper checks, executing standard ACH transfers, or even just linking your Dave account to payment apps like Venmo or PayPal.
Section 4. Troubleshooting common Dave issues and solving problems.
Sometimes things get stuck, so let's talk about it. If you're waiting on a tax refund, it is absolutely critical that the name on your return perfectly matches your Dave account. A mismatch will cause the transfer to bounce. Also, keep in mind Dave doesn't support joint accounts, so you cannot deposit someone else's tax refund into your checking account. No business tax returns either, personal accounts only. Always verify your routing and account numbers are perfectly accurate before hitting submit. Now here's a crucial heads up. Because Dave upgrades its services and transitions between partner institutions, like migrating accounts from Evolve Bank to Coastal Community Bank, your specific routing number might actually change over time. It all depends on your account creation date and your active migration status. So please, don't rely on a dust-load screenshot. Always check the live app for the most current number.
Section 5. Actionable security and tips for protecting your data. Look, while routing numbers are essentially public knowledge, they just identify the bank, not you. Your specific checking account number is private.
Combining those two, that basically hands someone the keys to your financial house. Guard that combo closely to prevent account takeovers. Check your details regularly, keep your Dave app updated for the latest security patches, and if you ever need help, use the secure in-app chat with Dave's member success team for official support.
Section 6. Recap and final disclaimer. Let's wrap this way.
Just to bring it all home, a routing number is that 9-digit ABA code identifying the bank processing your cash. Since Dave is a fintech platform, your routing number comes from their partner bank. You can find it super easily in the direct deposit menu or your account settings. And remember, always check your active routing number directly in the app before setting up new deposits, just in case there was a bank migration.
And as Dave's own disclosures cleanly state, Dave is a financial technology company, not a bank. The accounts and services are provided by partners like Coastal Community Bank, member FDIC. Please keep in mind that the information in this explainer is based on current knowledge and could change down the road. Always consult the Dave App's deposit agreement or chat with their customer support for the absolute latest personal assistance.
So, I'll leave you with this thought. Now that you know exactly how the system works, why it matters, and where your routing number lives, what financial goal will you conquer next? Are you ready to take control of your everyday finances and set up your next direct deposit with total confidence? You've got the tools. Now it's time to use them.